Okay guys, today I'll teach you one of the loudest sounds of K.I.M. Is this sound. I don't know how it's called. I think it's he's the first guy that did that sound actually so loud and different from the regular types of the sound. Basically, I think that yeah, the sound sounds like this. Yeah, when I met K.I.M in Sofia, I asked him about the sound, and he told me that it's a mix of a few sounds that you have to do, a few letters, sorry, H, K, R, and that kinda like you're gonna spit, you know, when you're sick. Yeah, yeah, those four letters or sounds. I don't know how you will accept this. Yeah, basically it's the sound is formed by placing your tongue on the top of your mouth, like you're going to do the r sound, and you're going more to the H, you know, and when you're doing the more of a H letter, your tongue goes backwards from r. You see how it changes? Yeah, then the K. Then that it's maybe, I think, the most important thing that you have to do is to combine all those three words, three letters. Sorry, my mind is completely fucked up today because when I was at my basketball practice in the university, somehow my mobile phone disappeared, and yeah, whatever. The thing is that you have to combine the three letters with, and this last sound makes the whole sound louder, and it takes a lot of practice to master it. So when you as long as you master the sound, try to work on making it louder. So see, I learned it for about a week, I guess. Yeah, that's just it depends how much you practice, but basically that's the 4-letter rule that I think I created by explaining the sound. I'm sorry if I sound like an asshole, but you know, today is just a very fucked up day for me, guys. Sorry. Yeah, that's basically it. Yeah. Yeah, that's the sound, that's the tutorial. I hope you like it. I'll try to upload videos more regularly. I'm sorry that I wasn't that active in the last month, but you know, since I moved in my new place, I'm living in Russia now because I started as a student in a university, and it's really hard for me, you know, a big change in my life, kinda second beginning. you can call it if you want. Yeah, that's the video. I'm sorry, 5 minutes are way too much. Yeah, thanks guys, much respect.